Hey guys, let's be honest. The market for sales coaching is broken. If you Google sales coach, you will find a weird mix ranging from people like Grant Cardone and Jordan Belfort, also known as the Wolf of Wall Street, on one end of the spectrum, with Korn Ferry, BCG and McKinsey on the other end. The first group, the motivational entertainers, offer plenty of energy, perfect teeth and testosterone. But they are mostly good at one thing: getting your money out of your pocket into their pocket. Then there's the second group, the old school sales training academies and consultancies, more serious, less entertaining, but often stuck in the past. You can send your team to endless workshops in sad hotel rooms or pay to fly in expensive sales consultants in business class. But let's be real. Watching people who've never sold one single unit of your product write things on a flip chart probably won't transform your sales results. And when it comes to role plays, if your team only gets one or two chances to act in front of their colleagues, it's uncomfortable, ineffective, and usually forgotten the next day. This broken coaching market is a big problem because sales reps urgently need to improve. Their jobs are at risk, more at risk than ever before. Silicon Valley is investing billions to replace sales reps with AI agents, and let's face it, they're making good progress. Many CEOs are already asking themselves, do I really want to spend 25% of our revenue on sales reps when 2/3 of them don't hit their targets? And I get it. I need a sales team myself and I know exactly how investors look at sales expenses. But here's the thing. The problem isn't that clients don't want to talk to humans anymore. Actually, they still prefer human connection over AI bots. They just prefer bots over bad sales reps, the ones they don't trust. In software sales, for example, the top 10% of sales reps drive up to 50% of the revenue. The rest, that's where AI is coming from. So why do so many sales reps struggle? Those who know me know that before founding Retorio, I did my PhD in behavioral science. So let's look at what the research says. Decades of studies show that great sales reps outperform the rest on two simple dimensions: warmth and competence. Every client meeting triggers two subconscious questions. Do I feel comfortable with this person? That's warmth. And can this person actually solve my problem? That's competence. If you lack warmth, clients won't open up. If you lack competence, clients might like you, but they won't buy from you. The good news? Most reps score decent on at least one. So if we can close the gap on the other, many of them can become top performers. But that requires systematic, personalized coaching, and the market simply doesn't deliver that. To be honest, I've not met a single sales coach who's ever read the science behind Warmth and Competence. And that's why we founded Retorio 7 years ago. The idea is simple: build a data-driven, science-based AI coach, not one that works on sales reps, but one that works for them. To fix sales, we first have to fix sales coaching. And that's how we pioneered a new product category: AI sales coaching. Retorio's AI coaching platform makes sales coaching scalable, measurable, and personal. To experience it, just go to retorio.com and open an account. With our session generator, you can brief our AI coach in minutes. If you want your sales reps to master a specific discovery method, just tell the AI coach. It will adapt and train your team accordingly. You can easily center the coaching session around a specific situation. For instance, a specific step in your sales process. Copy-paste your product sheets, scripts, battle cards, discovery frameworks, and the AI coach reads and integrates them instantly. Through the persona generator, your AI coach can take on the role of any customer, replicating your client segments with unique personalities, needs, and values. Our AI roleplay brings this to life. Realistic, dynamic conversations where your reps can practice, fail safely, and improve fast. For instance, you can just invite your sales reps to practice discovery calls with different virtual client personas. The invite happens per email through our system, or you can connect the coaching sessions to actual deals, for instance, by integrating Retorio into your CRM system. The AI coach will provide real-time guidance and feedback to maximize learning impact. Let's listen in for a bit.
Hi, I just wanted to have a look around and see what's available here.
Hey, welcome to our store. So sure, is there anything in specific you're looking for?
Well, I'm hoping to find a better deal on TV and streaming services, if that's something you offer.
Sure. What kind of streaming service are you thinking about?
Well, I'm currently using a few different things. We have Sky Sport for the football and Netflix for movies and shows.
Yeah, can you tell me how much you're roughly paying per month right now?
Honestly, it's almost $100.
It feels like real life. The conversations are 100% dynamic, but they stay within the boundaries that we've defined before. I've done hundreds of these conversations and they became part of my daily routine.
Goodbye.
Once I'm done talking to the virtual client, our guided AI coaching identifies the top 3 improvement opportunities after every conversation. Small changes that deliver maximum impact. It speaks to you like a human coach, analyzing both verbal and non-verbal cues, helping you strengthen key dimensions like confidence, communication, and applied knowledge. Let's listen in for a bit.
The new customer expresses curiosity about Lobo TV, seeking more details about its features and how it integrates with their existing services.
Lobo TV, huh? I haven't actually heard of it. What exactly does it include? And how does it work with all these different services I'm currently using?
The new customer's questions provide an opportunity for you to elaborate on the benefits and functionality of Lobo TV. Here's the segment where you describe what Lobo TV includes and the potential cost savings compared to the new customer's current subscriptions. Pay attention to the clarity and flow of your explanation.
So it includes Netflix, Disney Plus, but you can also upgrade to the sports package. And
Your tone here was dismissive and lacked empathy, and your pitch was relatively flat. This can undermine your message and erode trust with the customer.
The AI coach motivates sales reps to work on themselves. It shows them how they're improving and encourages them to continue practicing. And because it's AI, it can coach thousands of reps simultaneously, share best practices across teams, and deliver deep insights on skill gaps. Retorio offers a comprehensive enterprise-ready analytics suite that enables you to look at user cohorts and track their progress at scale. All of that at a fraction of the cost of traditional coaching. Being based in Munich, Germany, Retorio is GDPR and EU AI compliant. Our referencing feature protects clients from hallucinations. We host in the EU and we can offer aggregated analysis. Work councils often support us as AI coaching is the only way to provide personalized feedback in anonymity, with sales reps controlling their own data. After 7 years on the market, we've coached tens of thousands of sales reps across more than 50 enterprise clients. And the results speak for themselves. On average, we observe a 14% increase in warmth and a 15% increase in competence within the first 10 coaching sessions. That translates into 10% more sales and 30% faster ramp-up for new hires. We've seen success across industries, from automotive to pharma, from telco to retail. In automotive, we've trained thousands of sales reps worldwide to confidently sell electric vehicles. The results were so strong that German sports car brand invested millions in Retorio. In insurance, we've helped more than 15 companies onboard new state agents with 70% less turnover. Vodafone uses Retorio in their service centers to boost customer centricity at scale. Retail and luxury brands use it to turn store clerks into professional style advisors with impressive results. And in B2B, companies like Merck Group use Retorio to train pharma reps to lead better, more empathetic conversations with healthcare professionals. We even support global leadership programs, helping the world's biggest truck company, Daimler, to upskill emerging leaders in conducting performance management reviews and leading teams. We believe the future of sales isn't about replacing humans, it's about making humans irreplaceable. AI coaching can help us reconnect with what truly matters in sales. Warmth and competence, which in turn enable meaningful human connection. We're not building robots that sell. We're building coaches that help humans sell better. Because when humans get better, business gets better. I'm Patrick Oehler, co-founder and co-CEO of Retorio.